Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Daniel here. So in this video, I want to share with you the easiest way to start generating income online going into 2022. I'm recording this right now in December of 2021. And if you're at a point where you just feel tired, you feel like nothing is working for you, and you're heading into the new year, you don't really know exactly what's going to happen, or you have no plan, this video is for you and you should watch it. First of all, if you want to get started with earning income online, I want to ask you to go click on the free training down in the description below. Go sign up for that. That is the best way to start. That is the easiest way for you to get started today. If you don't want to get yourself involved in, creating products, doing drop shipping and all this business models that maybe you've tried in the past and hasn't worked for you. So that is the best way to start. Go sign up right now. Anyway, before I move on, I just want to, say a few things, give you my backstory, tell you how I even got here, what I've done to be able to quit my 9 to 9 sales job within a year, and how I'm now traveling the world. I'm currently in Tirana, Albania. I've been in Mexico, for some time in the year. I've been in Turkey this year. I've just traveled all over the world. Now, I'm not saying that to brag or just to, shove it in your face that, hey, look at me, I'm traveling the world. But I just wanted to show you what is possible. And what I've mentioned about travel and all these things, it's not even the biggest thing that I will be doing this year. It's not even I don't see it as having achieved anything, because I haven't even made a fraction of the amount of money that I dream about, that I plan to make in my life. So what that means is that whatever it is that you're doing today, every little action that you put in today, it counts, 3 months down the road, 6 months down the road. So everything is just a compounding, it has a compounding effect. So whatever you're doing right now, even if you're not seeing results, just keep doing it every day. So the first way that I would recommend if you want to start making money online is to find someone who already is doing something that you want to do. Now, that may sound counterintuitive. I want to make money right now. How are they going to contribute to my life? Are they going to give me money? No, but they've been where you are. They have done the same things that you want to do today. They've already done it, and they can see your blind spots. They can see exactly what you're doing wrong. And that was something that eluded me for so long. I always thought like I could do things on my own. I could, I could go at things on my own. And I know my weaknesses. I know that I procrastinate a lot. I am not a very big action taker. So a lot of these things, contributed to me not, achieving a lot of things that I want to achieve, very fast. So the moment I switched my gears into finding someone and learn from them, everything changed for me. Now, I'm not saying that you have to go invest a lot of money. You can watch online videos, you can watch YouTube videos, you can read blogs, you can follow people online and look at the things that they are doing. I remember 3 years ago when I was, having this warehouse job that I was working, I would go into work every day, tired and just sad and just miserable, because I was earning what, maybe $12.50 an hour at the time. But I just knew that if I keep doing this, if I keep looking at my mentors, and at the time I didn't have a one-on-one direct relationship with a mentor, but there was this person I used to follow on Instagram, and they would put out a lot of great content, and I would consume this content. And when I was at work, I would listen to their podcast. I would do all of these things just to keep my mindset right, just to get my brain right. And that kept me motivated, that kept me on track. That at some point I just walked into my job one day. I decided to quit my job without any plan, and I knew that if I didn't make that decision, if I didn't take that step, then it would take me much longer, because now I would feel comfortable that now I'm earning $12.50. It's better than nothing. I didn't have any plan. I just walked into my job. I put in my 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks I was gone. And that really propelled me to start taking action, to start doing the things that were uncomfortable. And within a matter of 1 year, I got my skill level to a place where I could get a better job. And from that job, I invested my income into building an online business, which is now today allowed me to quit that 9 to 9 job and be able to travel the world. So it's like a chain reaction. But the first thing I want you to do is to find someone who wants to do the same things that you're doing, or who's already doing the same things that you're doing, and just watch them, just mirror what they're doing, and things will change for you. And the second thing I want to mention is to find something that already works. Just the same way as you find a mentor, who can put your mindset right, who can, who you can mirror, who you can follow, and just like, watch the things they're doing. You need to find something that works. For me, that thing was affiliate marketing, right? I've always, tried doing a whole bunch of online things. I did drop shipping. I did, social media marketing agency. I mean, I still run ads online today. I still do it on the side, but it's not my main business. What I found to be, the most successful business venture for me was affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? It's something you may already know, just finding a product that people want and promoting that product to people who already needs that product. And when you make a sale, you get a commission from that. And it's just as easy as it gets, because one, you don't have to make any product. Two, you don't have to do fulfillment. You don't have to do customer service. And it's just the easiest type of business to start if you are an absolute beginner. If you don't have any money to start right now, I would say start with affiliate marketing. And I will leave a link down in the description below if you want to get started today. I'll partner with my mentor and my friend Jonathan Montoya with a 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Go subscribe right now. Go sign up. Watch the training. If you like it, get started today. If you don't, you don't have to, and it doesn't cost you anything. I think the price of a cup of coffee, $7. Okay, so go subscribe. Go sign up right now and let me know what you think. Anyway, so affiliate marketing is one thing that's already worked for me. And when I got started, I didn't have any money to invest. I didn't know exactly how to go about, running ads, because all of these things, that one, they seemed overwhelming, and two, they cost a lot of money. So what I did was I started posting content on YouTube on my main channel, talking about things that help people. I started talking about dropshipping, how to get started with Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. And, people started asking me questions. What, resources do I use? What softwares do I use? And I reached out to the makers of the software, to the company that makes the software. I would ask them to give me a referral code. And I put the referral code in my description of my videos. And when people purchase that software, I would get a commission from that. And I think in 1 month, I earned over $1,000 from promoting just one product. Over, the course of 30 days in that month, I made over $7,000. And that was the most money I've ever made online passively in my entire life. So that really, put my thoughts into perspective, gave me exactly what I really needed to do, because I've been chasing all this, shiny object syndromes. I've been chasing all these things that hasn't worked in the past. And here I am just promoting other people's products and making money off of that. So I would say if you want to get started today, the best way to do that is to start by affiliate marketing. And you can go on YouTube and watch a bunch of other people talk about affiliate marketing. And one thing is very unique to every single person. They feel like this is the best business model to start online. So if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, you want to build a sustainable business online, go in the description down below, go sign up for the free training, go watch it. And if it makes sense to you, I would say get started right away, because we're heading into 2022. You don't want to, wait till the beginning of the year to start taking action. You want to start taking action today, because, before you know it, it'll be the end of 2022. You'll still be stuck in your job, be miserable, and you don't want that to happen, because I know what can change within a couple months if you put in the right effort. Okay, so that is, the core message of this video is to just, nudge you to get you started, because I've been there, I've done that. I know that if you don't take any action, nothing is going to change. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. And if you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe to this video. Make sure you leave a comment down below. And if you want to see my travels all over the world, where I go, how I'm living my life as a digital nomad, make sure you go subscribe to my main channel. I'll leave a description down in the description as well. I'll leave a link down in the description as well. So I will see you in the next video. My name is Daniel, and have a good one.